Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Supply Chain Custom, and today in this session we will understand status holders exporter. Okay, so who are the status holder? Okay, so we will understand in this session. Status holder are the business leader who excelled in international trade. Okay, the person who are the excelled in international trade is the status holder. Okay, just like in general life, who are the status person who have uh, good money, and we can say good properties and good power. In general language we can use word the status holder, but as exporter in view of the government, who are the status holder? Who are the excel in the international business? Okay, who are the perfect in the international business? Okay, and have successfully contribute to countries foreign trade. Okay, after exporting goods to foreign currencies come in India. Okay, so that will contribute to the Indian foreign trade currency. Okay, and that will improve our Indian economy status. Okay, so that's why here government check out the person who are in well excel in the international business and contributing in the foreign exchange management is the status holder. Okay, the status holders are expected to not only contribute toward the India export but also provide guidance and hand holding to new entrepreneurs. Okay, so here government is saying that you are not, the status holder not providing the foreign exchange for the country welfare, but also they provide the guidelines and procedure and working procedure and operations, how the uh, excel they maintain the international trade. Okay, so by keeping on this thing, government provide the status holder. Okay, so in the status holder, the government provide the certificate. Okay, so what is export status? The export house certificate are status holder are Indian business that excel in international trade made in a significant contribution to the country foreign exchange earning. Okay, so the significance contribution in earning of the foreign exchange. Okay, now export house status is provided to the all exporter of the goods, service, and technology having the import export code. Person who have an import export code and exporting the goods and services technology, government can provide them to a status holder certificate. Okay, so as you see, as you screen you can see here the status categories he mentioned, and export in FOB value need to be earned as mentioned here. So one star export house is called the exporter who will earn US dollar million in 3 million US dollar, then it will one star. If he earn 25 US million dollar in FOB value, then it's 2 star export house. If exporter earning the FOB value of 100 US dollar million, then 3 star. If then 500, then 4 star. And last 2000 US dollar millions is a 5 star exporter. Okay, so these are the categories government define on the export FOB value. Okay, is the export performance we can say as per view of the government. Now, what benefit government provide to this status holder exporters? So first, standard input output norms. Okay, so what is this? The norm fixed under advanced authorization, EPCG, within 2 months on priority base, the norm committee. Okay, as per this benefit, the license within 2 months as a priority basis norms committee will decide for that. They can apply. Okay, norm fix under advanced authorization and EPCG. So this benefit is uh, used for the person who importing the raw material and capital goods. Okay, so in this case, the exporter can get before 2 months EPCG and advanced license. Okay, basis by the norm committees. Okay, so here government want to improve the export, so they're specially uh, define that advanced authorization EPCG. So both license are the used for import duty free. So government need to promote the export by using this license save duty, means that if you can exporter can import the capital goods, new technology and raw materials for improving the export performance, because that in both license you have to export whatever duty you have saved. Okay, so as per government you have to export and fulfill the export obligation. Okay, so especially they focus on EPCG and advanced authorization. Now exemption from furnishing BG bond. Okay, so here the status holder are 100% exempted from the furnished bank guarantee under the advanced and EPCG. When you import the goods, you have to submit the bond of as a bank guarantee. Okay, so in that bank guarantee you have to inform to custom that we will pay this custom duty, because that advance and EPCG license you free the duty. So in respect to that free duty, you have to give the bond to the custom. So here exemption from that furnishing bank guarantee bond. Okay, so uh, status holder are 100% exempted from the furnishing BG bond. Okay, under the EPCG or advance. Okay, just like for example, you import the goods. Okay, and you import like a 100 crore machine. Value of the machine is 100 crore in CIF. Okay, and then in such case you have to pay 30% of duty, like a 10% basic. Okay, 10% SWS and 18% IGST. Total we consider here 30% duty you have to pay. So you have to pay 30 lakh, 30 crore. Okay, for the duty. Now here you are using EPCG, so you don't have to pay custom duty. So in this regard, you have to submit the bank guarantee that we will fulfill the export obligation. Means whatever duty we have saved, the six time of that duty we will export. Okay, okay. So for that we will give the bond to the custom that if we will not fulfill the export obligation, then we will pay this duty with interest. So this is a BG bond. So such kind of bond exemptions given under the status holder scheme. Establish the export house. Okay, so exporter have a right to establish export house. Okay, as per Department of the Revenue and guideline, two star and above status holder shall be eligible to establish export houses. Okay, now free of cost sample. Okay, so some certain conditions for the exporter uh, uh, defined by the government, like a 2% of the last 3 year FOB average, only can FOC sample can be sent. Okay, just like a person cannot send free sample or free shipment to other country as per RBI, because this is the rule. Any goods going from outside India must bring the foreign currency for in respect of that goods. So there are some certain rules defined by the government, like a if you are sending a sample for the promoting export for the new country or new exhibition or other selling, then in such cases you can export only the 2% of average year last 3 year, okay, not much than FOB value of the uh, more than 2% of the whatever earning of the last year average, okay. So in such cases, here you are using you are under the status holder exporter. So government providing the benefit which is here, status holder star house export are entitled to export freely exportable free of cost basis on the export promotion purpose, subject the annual limit of the specified, okay. So whatever government fix the annual limit for the exporting FO shipment, under this status holder exporter can export, okay. So these are the benefit under export status holder, okay. So guys, in this session we have tried to understand some benefit and what is the importance of the export status holder. So guys, thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.